Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a collaboration between some NBA players and Nike. They picked a selected few NBA players and brought them together and gave them a couple shoes that they could design. So right now, I have the Air Max 1 designed by Deaaron. I have it right now in hand. I got it early, so I'm able to bring this review to you guys. But before we do that, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop a new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. But I know y'all tired of me talking. I know I be talking too much in the beginning, a little intro. But let's get to this shoe. Here you guys go. Nike collaboration with Deaaron, Air Max 1. Two different shoes, man, so y'all gonna have to bear with me on this one. Let's talk about this first shoe first. You have burgundy print here. I don't know exactly what this is. It kind of feels like, I don't know what material this is on here, but it has a good feel to it. But you know, it's burgundy. You have the translucent swoosh right here. You have the funky suede up here. What I mean by funky suede is like it's not like nubuck. It's a little more, you know, detailed suede on it. You have the mesh here in blue, like light bluish. You have suede here on the tipper. That's gray suede. It looks like elephant print. On the inside, you have a translucent swoosh, but it's a pink translucent swoosh. You have a blue airbag here on the inside of here. On the back panel, you have more of the suede here on the inside. On the back panel, you have more of the suede, and it says Swipa. That's what they call. That's the Deaaron nickname. You have more of this funny material back here, burgundy. It's clean, man. This is just the first shoe. The other shoe has a different color going on. On this shoe, you have blue of that same funky material going around. You know, blue, which is a nice blue with the orange in here on the inside, orange mesh on the inside with the orange elephant print right here, black shoestrings on both shoes, the number 5 on the tongue, same tongue, has more of the same suede, same swoosh too. It has the translucent swoosh on this side. We got the blue airbag on this shoe, also white sole, black bottom. We have the black suede here also with the Swipa, which is his nickname, and they have the pink translucent swoosh on the inside of here. Man, I think this shoe was, when I first seen the pictures, I wasn't a fan. I was like, what are they doing or whatever the case. I wasn't even aware that Nike was doing shoes with selective NBA players. I wasn't even aware of that, but I'm glad they did this. This is a dope collaboration. It's a great shoe, great design by Deaaron, man. I like what he did here. You know, also up here on the tips, you can see it has like gray in the inside. There's a little see-through material here, so you can see the inside of the top sole. I mean, the upper. But yeah, you know, gray where the shoestrings go, man. I think this is a well put together shoe, man. Great job by Deaaron. I don't know if this is your first shoe that you designed, but this shoe came out clean. It's well put together and things like that, man. So congratulations to you for doing this and being able to put together a great shoe. Great job, man. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm gonna have to give this shoe, man, 4.5, man. They really got me to like this shoe, man. This shoe really came out clean. And from the pictures don't do no justice. That's why I had to try to get my hands on the pair early and give it to you guys so you guys can see what it looks like before you actually make your purchase. And cause you know, sometimes we see stuff, we like the pictures or whatever, and then we actually get the product in our hand, we don't like it. So, you know, it's our job as sneaker YouTubers to get, you know, do videos, detailed videos, so you guys can see exactly what you're getting or exactly what you're buying. But great job, man. And the inside of the sole has a bunch of stuff in there, man. You know, I'll post something up there with that. But great job, man. 4.5 out of 5 pennies for this shoe, man. And I'm hearing that there's some other Play exclusives too, so I'm gonna try to get my hands on those. But these are coming out in a week or so, so I got my hands on these first. I'm gonna try to get my hands on the other ones and bring it to the channel so you guys can get a look at it, man. With that being said, we keeping the 100 and not a penny less. Peace.